today, guys, we're here with my brother. What's up, bub?
What's up? Sorry, guys, we couldn't play Spider
Because Isaac's not, I meant Bubby's not available.
Yeah. I mean, I play on a PS5, but I got the PS4 edition of Roblox.
Yeah.
And, So that's why we're playing Tornado Alley Ultimate.
Which should we vote for?
Let's do Rome, because your device isn't the greatest. Uh-oh, looks like we're gonna have to go to Sunset Mall.
Great.
Hopefully your device can handle it.
Okay. Yeah. So. Sorry about my voice, guys. Sorry, guys, I had it on.
What's this? Oh, dead NATO. Survivor Apocalypse. Alright, guys.
What in the world is Free Fire? Oh, wow, I do not know what this is. My brother just wants me to play this, right, bub? If you want us to call each other different names than Bub and Sis, comment down below what you want. Top comment, we'll do.
Oh yeah, if you're the top comment, you'll get pinned.
What is that?
It means you're the top comment no matter what.
Bro, there's this guy named Pooh, and he's tung 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 saha.
Tung 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 sahur. Disaster imminent is a tornado.
I found the bunker.
Oh, you found a instruction key?
No, I found bunker. Bro, what is this guy? Do it.
Okay.
I don't like this. I already died. Bro, how did I survive the green tornado? Bro, what do you mean don't let them eat trains? They'll eat anything. I have to help.
Oh my gosh. It knocked out the power line. Why is there so many?
What in the world was?
You could still enter the map and you could survive the bonus disaster. What do you mean, minor? Oh, those are some
I'm still doing it.
Sophia, you can't just sis. You can't just expect this game to be a freebie. Look, Sophia.
Bro, there's only 2 survivors in this game.
POC is not as easy as it looks.
I need to find the shelter key. What's up, Rob?
What up, sis?
Hold up. Real quick. What's up? I'm a little kid crawling. Guess what? No one can get me. The tornado would never see me like this.
A storm surge can occur if a hurricane reaches a category 5. Alright, I'm gonna choose Interstate 95.
I chose the room.
What kind of tornado are we getting this?
I wonder. Imagine it's the dead man walking tornado.
I don't think there is dead man walking. It's probably gonna be like twin tornadoes. Or maybe it'll be a regular tornado. To be honest, I've seen a regular tornado only once. It was an F5. Inferno? Oh, this is a fire tornado.
Wait. Can I go down here?
Oh! I found a key!
Where is it? Can you take me to the bunker with you?
You gotta find a shelter key though.
I can't just go in with
Where's
you.
the bunker?
Wait, where's the key at?
There's separate keys around the map.
Oh, I found one. I found one.
Yeah, that is a shelter key.
Where's the shelter?
No, we gotta find it.
Please. I don't even know what this means. If you guys know what this means, Tom, go in the comments and say what it says. But not in this type of language.
Say it in English.
Yeah. Not Spanish, not SS Canada, just
No, I'm
English.
already.
I'm already dying, bro. I don't care anymore. Dude, how am I not dead? I'm in water. Good thing me have yes.
Oh, I found the shelter.
Where?
It's at the. Go down. Go south and you'll find it.
Okay, I'm going south. I'm getting pulled in. No, I'm surprised. I got sucked in by the tornado twice.
Alright.
Where is it? Am I going the right direction?
Give me a minute. I'll run you toward it.
Okay, thanks, bub. the tornado in this game is like so cheesy.
Yeah, it's too deep.
And what cheesy means, it means by it's not good. Like it's not the best. And what not the best mean is just like that looks good. What look means like what you see. Was can I jump in here?
Why do I still have the key? I might as well put my key.
Wait, can I have a bite of that boy? Give me a bite of that cheese. I got one banana.
How could like almost nobody survive a zombie tornado, but everybody could survive a fire tornado?
Like fire tornadoes are so much more dangerous.
Yeah,
Right?
being bit by a zombie, but like the tornado would just pick it up and just like kill it.
Instantly. Oh, hold up.
Alright, so according to the science studies of tornadoes,
Well, you can't do that anymore.
there was no bonus disaster. Like a hurricane.
Mom, you didn't have to cut me off.
It says that's copyright. Or maybe it isn't.
I saw that in the loud videos, and guess what? They never got sued. So you didn't gotta cut me off back then. You didn't gotta cut me off back then. Ooh, should I step on Crystal? It hurts. It hurts. Ah, it hurts. You stepping on this? Cause again, I gotta cut me off.
I'm gonna do the airport.
Yeah, airport. Sounds good.
Even though the difficulty is hard.
I might not survive this one. Whoa.
Oh yeah, guys, speaking of tornadoes, my city almost got into a supercell. Like the city I live in.
I'm not gonna tell you though, because we don't want to share our personal information.
And we don't want a million of people jack-o'-lantern. It's way past Halloween, so why is the jack-o'-lantern?
Bro, why? It's not Halloween.
And you don't even know what the jack-o'-lantern is.
Yeah, I really don't. Was a jack-o'-lantern by a tornado?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I guess I do know what it is. We need to find bunker. We found the bunk. We need bunker key. Ooh, I should be safe,
I'm gonna
right?
hide somewhere.
I'm hiding somewhere safe.
I want to hide with this dude.
Okay.
Disaster imminent is a tornado. Please take shelter. I repeat, please take shelter.
Okay, I'm protecting my head. Don't worry, guys. I'm protecting my hair. That was literally
Right, the jack-o'-lantern tornado has arrived.
You should instead crouch down. Get back in. Don't come where I am, bro. Bro, I see you. Where was that? Yeah, he did.
Somebody said fluffy doggy, and he's bad. What do you mean? No, do not curse me. Oh, Jesus.
He's being cursed. Sorry, bud. I'm not being cursed.
I broke my leg.
I don't want to be cursed.
You say, what do you mean?
Someone helped me.
Flash flood.
And if you're wondering what TYSM means, it means thank you so much.
Oh, he's
Oh wait, is it flooding? Yep, it's flooding.
Oh, we got a flash flood.
Coming up here.
Get on the ground. It's like super.
I'm at high ground. Yeah, me need to run. Whoop. 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 Trying my best to survive. Why is this guy so big?
I don't think being on top of the tree is gonna help me much.
Wait, did it stop?
I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm literally drowning.
I think it stopped. Yeah, guys, I think it's stopped. Uh-oh. I'm coming up. Like, I don't care. Like, I'm coming up. Yay, I survived. I got for 3,300 coins, but not 3,000. Not 4 zeros or 2.
Hey guys, somebody in this game recognizes me. It looks like he does videos too, because his username is Liam's Videos YouTube YT.
I'm gonna say we do vids. Come stand by me, Isaac. Bub.
You say me and
We do vids. points.
Alright, this entire chat is gonna freak out now. Oh, there's gonna be a tsunami at the end.
Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do Grisser Lake. I like Grisser Lake. So I'm going to get a high ground.
Okay, but you also need to be careful with the tornado. Yo!
There we go.
Yo.
I'm just kind of being a low kite. I'm getting focused, and when I become quiet, I become focused. That's what I don't know. Oh wow. Yeah, I do not like this stuff. I gotta climb.
Somebody's paralyzed.
Yeah, I'm paralyzed. Oh no.
But you got bombed. It'll be a long time until
Yuck, everybody. No. Yep. I hope I got the right one. Someone said sub.
Alright, we got the tsunami coming now.
We both do the channel. And if you're in this game, please with us, can you please go to our channel and subscribe? We're trying to get a lot of subs. Oh wow, here comes a flood. Good thing I'm safe.
No, this is a tsunami.
Oh wait, what?
You're the high ground for the tsunami.
I'm at high ground. I thought it was the flood. When it comes near me, I'm using my thing and just jumping, guys. It's coming directly towards me. Oh, that was barely anything.
That just looked like a tidal wave.
Yeah, what even was that? I'm jumping down. Guys, don't do what I did actually
Oh yeah,
in
Liam's
my
video.
real
Oh yeah,
life.
shout out to Liam's videos. Thank you so much for being involved.
What do you want? I gotta go help this paralyzed girl. I survived. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Acid rain. We're getting acid rain after the tornado. Since when would we give people who are sub to us 1,000 Robux? I wonder how long
It's just a way to get people to sub more and to lose Robux. Because I want to give out Robux.
No, we don't have Robux.
I have.
Wait a second. I'm gonna see how long we've been recording. I'll
Me
get
like-
surprised by the length.
Guys, that might be the end of the video.
Yeah, it's been 30 minutes.
So bye guys, that was it. This is the end of the vid.